guys, what's up for today's video? It's me, Sophia. Sorry I haven't posted in a long time. You might hear my little sister in the background, but please don't mind it. And so today's shout out goes to Masterpiece, who actually suggested this video. You guys have no clue what it is, but you will because of the title. Why did I just say that? Of course you'll know. But so if I did a live stream, you would still know what. I'm dumb. Okay, let's just get on to the point. So I made a burping video, and that's everyone's been commenting on that. So I'm making another one with soda. So you know how when you drink soda, it makes you burp? That's what I'm going to do, because that's what Masterpiece suggested. So let's get started. You guys probably haven't heard of this. It's like an orange soda. It's really easy to do. That's weird. There we go. I'm just kidding. What did you guys think? What was that? That was loud. Oh, like this is so weird. Let's try to see ribbit. That was not ribbit. That was neither. I can't do it. But anyways, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. This might make me seem like, well, I don't know what the word is. Let's think. If only I have an editing app to do time lapse. I'm sorry guys. Look at my hair. If only I had. But anyway, guys, bye. I'm not miserable. Anyways, bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, shout outs to Masterpiece. Thank you for giving me that suggestion. I can't speak today. But, guys, make sure to go ahead and try this out. It's really not that bad. Just go try it out. Anyways, bye guys.